It's the Singer 15-91. That's the motor. Gear driven. This case bottom is not part of the deal. I just needed it to sew with. It goes to something else. It's pretty good shape. Decals are pretty good. You know, the gold trim, so right there in the center there's some wear. And there it is. Bobbin winder works because I just wound the bobbin. Now you get the manual, the bobbin case, that solid bobbin and straight stitch foot is also included. Okay, this is the Singer model 15-91, the motor driven direct gear driven machine, straight stitch only. Got these old jean pieces here. I'm gonna show you that this works. It's the longest stitch it'll do. Put it in reverse. Ran out of bobbin. Okay, we're back. Wound the bobbin. We're back. The machine is still on the longest stitch, but for reverse. So it's going to pull it this way now. Okay, that's what happens when you don't have the presser foot down. Go back to forward with a smaller stitch. Very small, a little bigger. Turn it around. And that's about all it does. Lift it up. Take it out. You can see the back side made good stitches. It's hard to tell, I'm looking in the camera. And the front side made good stitches. That's what it does. That's it.